so tired. I'm gonna go back up. Okay, so guys, why is Robot tired? I don't even know, but I'm so tired. Robot, why are you tired? Fine. You want me to tell you? So I was going to go for the Olympics. That's when I realized it was a scam. That's why I'm tired. Robot, you do know you're like the fastest being in the universe, right? Wait, I never knew that. But I'm gonna go downstairs and greet my friends. Let's see what Con doing. Yo, Con, what you doing? Nothing. What are you watching? No, let me see what this is. Fortnite video to how to rage bait your friends. So you are gonna tell us to play Fortnite and you are gonna rage bait us by making traps around. Yes, that's what I was gonna do. Guys, they can't tell you that you were that can only play Fortnite. Did you say yes? Yes, yes, yes. Wait, no, yes, yes. Guess what he did? He was watching a video how to rage bait. Didn't tell me anything, Pumpkin. That's because Pumpkin. If you break that glass, trust me, you gonna get a whooping of your life. But you ain't my dad. Wait. How many layers of glass did you put? 2. So you can't escape. Why can't I not escape? Because it's an invasion, but I just escaped. Whatever. You are so annoying. So Con, you were trying to rage bait us? Why didn't you tell me? Because you have. But guys, I'm gonna go out to buy some stuff. Okay. There he goes. Con was trying to rage bait us, right? Oh, that's when this happened. He did this. Hello! Get out. Oh, why? Because I said so. Just get out. Would you tell Melon? No. But I do have a surprise for you. Yeah, I love surprise water gun. Oh, why is my water gun stuck? Ah, he has a water gun. You're lucky. 10 minutes later, their house got teleported to a haunted place. Oh, guys, what happened? Ow! Why did you kick my butt? Guys, what's happening? Guys, I think we are on lockdown. What? Oh no. If we're on lockdown, why? That's my only question. Why are we on lockdown? Okay, everyone barricade. Wait, we're on lockdown? Oh. I was always ready. Of course you'd be. Wait, you have a secret gun stash? Oh no. Where did you get that? Fine, I have a secret gun stash that I've been hiding from all of you. Guys, I also need a gun because I'm watching out the window. And what if a scary monster comes? Yeah, we never ever thought of that. Okay, I'm gonna give him the knife because okay, 2 layers of bullets, right? Yup, those are 2 layers of bullets, and if you somehow shoot on, guys, I see a scary monster. Oh, you see a scary monster? So does monster, man. Oh no, I have to defend our house. Oh no, guys, don't forget to lock the door. Lock the door. Oh no. Don't worry, the door cannot break. So, guys, I think there's two of them. Guys, that's it. What do you mean that's it? I'm drinking something. Wait, guys, did you know Blue Coral had a secret gun stash? And he didn't even tell us? No, we didn't even know. Blue Coral. Oh, fine, I had a secret gun stash. But I don't want to tell you because all of you guys will just annoy me. So I'll be like, fine, I'm gonna give you. That's it. Oh my gosh, my head is so big. Oh my gosh. Come here. Oh no. I'm gonna go, guys. Oh no. Come here. Oh. Get out. Guys, I shot the monster. Oh my gosh, you shot the monster cold. Don't worry, I'm watching your back. I don't like how everyone is now wanting all my guns. If you don't like it, why did you have a secret gun stash? He tried to break it. Yes, I broke it. That's when he found this. Oh, guys, the monster is gonna get in my room. Shoot the monster. That's it, get out. That made the monster hold on to the edge. Oh my gosh. That's it. I'm going to shoot you. Guys, they came with a full army now. A full army? Oh no. Oh. Just shoot one of them. Guys, this is why. Master, we gotta go invade their house. Oh, yeah, let's go. Here! Wait, if we touch the house, something bad can happen. So, we made peace with the 5-second rule. Oh, come on! Let me. You guys all do not know anything. We fought them for centuries. We did. We broke into their house. They invented barricades. We killed them. They invented mortality. That's when they invented those guns. And that's why we something happened. You just get out. Get out! Oh, that's it. I'm gonna shoot you. 10 minutes later, he woke up. I'm awake. He shot him again. Take this. Well, I'm gonna break into your house. Guys, I hear someone breaking in. Where's Pumpkin? Pumpkin said, I'm here. I'm always ready. Okay, Pumpkin, since you're always ready, why about you go out and kill him? Okay. Don't you think I would die? No. Just go out there and kill him. Like, look at my gun I have. It barely even fits into the house. So you go out there and kill him. That's when this happened. Oh. looks like a victim is here. Oh yeah. Oh no, guys. Melon. Melon, did you break your back? No. Oh no. Editor, skip the part where Melon broke his back. Thank you, CapCut. Okay, you didn't break your back. Oh, guys, this is not good. Pumpkin is here. Oh no. That's it. I'm gonna shoot you. Assuming. Let's. Oh no, I have to reload. This is a long time to reload. Oh no, that's it. Do not hurt Pumpkin. Wait, Corn? It was you that was shooting him? Yeah. Oh my gosh. He's shooting him. Oh no, I accidentally came out. Pumpkin, go back inside. Okay. Oh, this is an invasion. Yeah, I know. Yeah, tomato. Guess what? You hacker. You let me know if they're coming or not. Why me? Why not you? You wanna whatever. That's it. I'm gonna bring out the big boy. To make sure that's when this happens. I'm gonna spawn in my minions. He said, oh guys, the stew bleeding out. The stew bleeding out. Oh guys, one of them broke their neck. What's the dumb beeping sound? Oh sorry. Don't worry, I'm checking it. Oh guys. Oh no, I have to grab my gun. Oh my gosh. Tomato, when you shot your gun, it almost you sold my gun stash. You only have to hide this. You all no. Melon. Me and you will defend this. Please. Yeah. Guys, you all need space, the places to defend. They all woke up. Guys, they all woke up. How can they all survive bullet shots? I think you have to kill them a bunch of times. Oh no! Guys, do not go outside, I repeat. Whoa, watch where you're stabbing that knife. Sorry. That's it. Pew! Pew! Oh no, guys, I have to reload. Why did I even get the sniper? You know what? I will say, Melon and Corn, you go out there. Yeah, we have like the best guns. Yeah, Corn, you like have the best gun out of me. Yeah, I know. Don't have to be jealous. I'm not jealous. I'm just saying. Like, whatever. That's when this happened. Oh no. Melon said, guys, I hit my head. Wait, I forgot. No, why you holding the brick? Hold your gun. Hold your gun, Melon. We're gonna shoot them. Come on, shoot now. Don't worry, I'm helping you guys. Ow! And that's it. Oh no! Help, Melon! That's it. Wait, we can fight them. You know what? We're gonna sue him. Here! Why are we even out here anyways? You and Pumpkin defend the house. Yeah, I'm gonna hide. Yeah, but we need... Yeah, we are back. Okay, you and Melon need to stay out here, making sure they're dead. Uh-oh. He raised his head up. Shoot him. You know the answer. Okay. Die. That was pretty cool. Oh no, Pumpkin! Oh no, Corn, help! Oh no, he's attacking you. Time to rescue you. Phew, Are you guys dumb? Can't you see right here? Oh my gosh, you shoot them all. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Oh, that's it. Oh, listen. Time to break your house now. Oh no. Shoot him. What a dumb idea. Yeah, I agree, Melon. Make sure the glass can break. No, this is unbreakable, touchable glass. What? You know what? We're gonna allow you to do the sniping because you saw one of them. And guess what? What? It now went straight up. Guys, I think Cactus might be the best sniper. Never mind. Cactus, if you can shoot two of those nightmare huggies, I'll give you $10 million. Never mind, you don't get $10 million. You get a slap in the face. What? Are you kidding me? What's my $10 million? No, you get a slap in the face.
What do we got? That's the registration ID of the line is
I'm gonna show you. Get a slap in the face. Can you please help us? Why me? Why me? Fine, I'm gonna help you guys. I'll show you how it's done. Where? Oh, there's one behind you. I know, don't have to tell me again. Dude, it's going to hit you. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Ultimate attack. Oh no. Cactus, I think you might want to push your gun back. Why? No reason. It might destroy the entire house. What's the name of that attack? The invisible wall gecko. That's it. Blast! Whoa! Oh my gosh, he teleported away. This can end like this. How can it end like this? And you guys just finish him off. Yeah, Melon. What we wait for? Finish him off. Uh-oh, guys, we're teleporting back. Whoa! Finally, we're home. Oh no! Oh no! We're gonna be permanently deleted. Oh no! Someone go out here and just attack me already. He wants, except for, except for, except for. He said except for, for him. Woo. Never mind. I said woo. Tell me woo. Oh. Oh. Finally, you guys are home. Can we finally? Okay, everyone, drop my gun. So come on. Actually, those were my guns. So I'm taking them away. Hey. You know what? I'm deleting you guys. No! I'm respawning you guys again. Why me? Why is it always me that have to respawn you guys? Can't you just respawn yourself? Huh. Hopefully this doesn't happen again. Guys, I liked when we defeat those huggies. Yeah, Cactus, you're a good sniper. Like, guess what you just did to one of them? What did I do to them? Wait, I remember. I have a sniper. I shot them from here. Guess what happened? The bullet shot them here, down here, then up here, then go all the way up. Yeah, that was cool. But Westcon, guys, I'm bored. I'm going back to my house. Oh, Bicon, guys, everyone lives in their own house. I mean, everyone says the same house, but Con, he has his own house, aren't you? Isn't that Aura? Yep, that's Aura. I wish I was like Con. Like Con is always used for every video. Yep, I know, we know. But guys, do you want to go camping? No. If we go camping, you won't believe what will happen to us. But guys, Con also has a gun stash. I think I need to use the bathroom. So Con, anytime you ever need to use the bathroom, you just go out of your house, go in here, then stop pooping like an animal. Hey, I'm not an animal. I come from up. I decided to find it. A corn. Where do you keep your food? Just like blue coral. Yeah, I have a secret food stash where I can live. Wait, yeah, guys, I have a gun stash. But Con, are you still gonna play Fortnite? Yeah, I'm still gonna play Fortnite with you guys. Okay, let me bring out my Melon phone 6S. Your Melon phone 6S. And are you on the toilet? I'm playing video games at the same time. Yeah. You do it too, Melon. Because you're addicted to your phone. Wait, where's my phone? Fine, I am addicted to my phone. Guys, my iPhone is broke. My phone, guys, I want a new phone. No, you are not getting a new phone. You know what? Wait, guys, I'm watching Pumpkin. No one will ever know about this. If I smash my phone, it will explode. In 3, 2, 1.
What do you mean nothing? Like you need another job? You can go back at home?
That's when this happened.
Here's something.
Smash! Oh my gosh. Oh guys, my phone is destroyed. Oh no! I was playing game. Then I decided I was gonna play a game, and guess what? My phone cracked. Con. I'm pumpkin. That's not what actually happened. I saw you. You threw your phone. You smashed it. It exploded. Fine. You're getting a new phone.
Besides, I heard every single word. Yes.
Okay. Here is your new Melon phone. It's called it's called Punko. It's guys, there's this type of phone called Techno, and I don't want to be copyrighted by Apple and Samsung and other phone brand. So I'm changing it to Melon Playground character's name. Okay, you get you get a Melon phone's 15 Pro Max. Wait, 15 Pro Max? Oh my god. If it's a 15 Pro Max, the world is officially done. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you got any of you have toilet paper? No. Just use your hands. Ew. I'm not using my hands. After that, I will be asleep and you guys will just grab my finger, put it in my mouth. Ew. No. Wait, guys, I found toilet paper. Hey, yo, dude, what are you doing? Nothing. Guys, I'm hungry. Oh, I guess you have to come back here to eat food. Guys, how many times do I have to tell you? I have a secret food stash. You have a secret what? Guys, didn't I just tell you I have a secret food stash? Oh, okay.
That's funny. Look, he's embarrassed. I gotta keep it felon, of course. Does it implicate us in his death? Not at all.
Guys, I feel like eating something. Yeah. Do you feel like eating popcorn? Popcorn? What did you just say? Guys, why is everything red now? Guys, why is everything red now? Oh no. Pumpkin. Cactus, this is all your fault. Guys, I see something that says you only have 1 minute to change your mind. Oh, guys, I think Con is stepping out. Fine, I want to eat pop. I want to eat pop melon. Okay, why is everything... Okay, why is everything purple now? I want an answer from you. Better, you changed your mind. Oh, guys, I'm never eating popcorn again. Fine, you can eat popcorn, but don't eat it in front of me. Oh, fine, we won't eat it in front of you. If you say popcorn, do not say in front of me, because the entire city will be destroyed. Why? Okay, who got stabbed?